Namaskar and welcome to all the viewers. Today's evening is very special, very auspicious. On behalf of Life Circle, I'm going to present the Caregivers Achievement Award Season 3. Special thanks to all the family members of our clients and also the whole entire team of Life Circle. Few words about Life Circle. Life Circle Health Services is a leading home healthcare company that serves seniors with partners including the French company groups SOS and Government of India Sage Ventures. We are surging forth to reach our services to as many seniors as possible across the country. To aid this, our caregivers are our soul. They enable delivery of high quality care services to the seniors. Majority of our caregivers are women and in the age group of 19 to 22. They come from remote parts of India. The job they do is a tough one. We use them how valuable their work is for all of us. The seniors they care for, their families, and we at Life Circle are proud of our caregivers and welcome all the seniors, their families, and our dear caregivers to this season 3 of the Caregiver Excellence Award of Life Circle. Life Circle की तरफ से हमारे caregivers को आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा प्राप्त हो, इसके लिए ये छोटा सा प्रयास है। तू हमारे साथ साथ आसमां से आगे चल, तुझे पुकारता है तेरा आने वाला कल। नई है मंजिलें, नए हैं रास्ते, नया नया सफ़र है तेरे वास्ते, नई नई है राह गुज़र। तो शुरू करते हैं आज की शाम केयर गिवर्स के नाम।
Dear seniors, family members, caregivers, friends and partners, a very good evening to you. I welcome you warmly to the Season 3 of Life Circle Caregiver Excellence Awards. As most of you know, for the Season 3 of the awards, we requested the seniors and the families to send us nominations of your caregivers. Send us an audio of 2 to 3 minutes stating why your caregiver is the best caregiver of Life Circle. We received 53 nominations from the 5 cities that we operate in: Delhi NCR, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, and Chandigarh. The 53 nominations had 35 videos, 16 audios, and 2 written nominations. There were 35 females who were nominated, and the rest were male. On receiving the 56 nominations, we constituted an internal evaluation committee with team members from Life Circle's health services who were not directly involved in operations. Why we did this is to ensure that there is minimum bias in the process. We were looking for the details of what the caregiver does, the impact of the caregiver's work on the senior's life, the impact of the caregiver's work on the life of the family members who were taking the service. So each of us evaluated the nomination on a scale of 1 to 5, and then we aggregated the score, and we had a short list of 24 caregivers. On the 27th of July, we invited an external panel of 3 judges to help us with finalizing the winners from the shortlist of 24. I'm very happy and proud to introduce the external panel to you. We had 3 lovely women who helped us with this process. And all these 3 women have been clients of Life Circle at some point in time. Madhumita Subramaniam is a software engineer and an artist. Dr. Deepa Phide is a pediatrician, an author, a speaker, and a healthful cooking enthusiast. Dr. P.V. Sharada is a double PhD in communication and education. She has worked with Prasar Bharati for close to 4 decades and retired from there. And she has helped us with designing many of our caregiver training modules. I thank these three lovely ladies for helping us with this process. So at the end of the evaluation, they gave us a list of 3 plus 11 winners. So today we have 14 winners. Now the first prize winner will get an award of 5,000 rupees. The second prize winner will get 3,000 rupees. The third prize winner will get 2,000 rupees. All the consolation prizes winners, 11 of them, will receive 1,000 rupees each. Now, of the 55 valid nominations, we know that behind every nomination is an excellent caregiver. I once again welcome you to this evening of joy and celebration. Thank you so much once again for joining.
Now, the excitement part of this program is beginning. I'm going to announce the consolation prizes in the order of the points scored by our caregivers. Consolation winners will get 1,000 rupees and certificates which will be added to their profiles. Now I am announcing the first consolation prize winner, Satyajit Nama. Satyajit Nama is working, he is very flexible, caring and wanting the best of senior. Senior is very happy with Satyajit. He is professional and established his credentials within a short time of joining. And this is mentioned by the wife of the senior.
This is regarding caretaker Satyajit Nama. First of all, I just wanted to say big thanks to Life Circle and the team. My husband is a patient from long time and who needs assistance for daily course. We have been very pleased with Life Circle's caretaker Satyajit and his service. He is very flexible and accommodating. Satyajit truly cares about the patient and wants the best for them. Satyajit has gone above and beyond for us within very few days of service. After he joined us, my husband is very happy with his service. Within very short time, Satyajit has become our family member, and he is very professional and ensure and that my husband was getting back to normal routine. Uh, I highly recommend Satyajit to everyone. Of course, he is working currently with us. I am not going to let him go back to any other people. If he is eligible for any rewards, I would highly recommend Satyajit for any reward. He is excellent and very kind person, and he took care of everything for the patient. So, thank you, team. Thank you, Life Circle again.
And the second consolation prize goes to Kiran Kumari. Kiran Kumari helps the senior transfer from bed to wheelchair. Senior speaks about Kiran and the client. Her husband speaks about why Kiran deserves this award.
I am also very proud of her. She is a very good girl. She takes all interest and loves with a lot of with a good smile on the face, never grumbling, and she is a very good girl. She deserves all kind of recognition and awards. So sincerely, rather tell the world I am very happy with the company itself. I am getting service from this company since last more than 3 years. Everyone was very good to me. And this girl in particular is very good because since last 4 months she is working with us, and we never felt that she is some girl coming from outside. We felt as if she is our family member only. So if it really deserves a recognition and reward from your company. Thank you.
And our third consolation prize goes to Anjali Kashyap. Anjali Kashyap, she closes with introducing us to Anjali and the senior Mrs. Tyagi. They mentioned about her in details about the seniors' routine, how Anjali helps.
हाय, मेरा नाम रिचा है। मैं लाइफ सर्कल के क्लाइंट हूँ और मैं आपसे बहुत टाइम से जुड़ी हुई हूँ। लाइक 2 इयर्स हो गए हैं हमें आपकी सर्विसेज अवेल करते हुए एंड वी आर रियली हैप्पी विद योर सर्विसेज। और अभी मेरी जो मदर इन लॉ हैं उनका नाम निर्मल त्यागी है, उनके लिए मैंने केयर गिवर रखी हुई है और उसका नाम अंजलि कश्यप है और वो बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रही है एंड वी आर रियली हैप्पी विद हर वर्क। वो उनकी पूरा देखभाल करती है, उनको एक्सरसाइज भी करवाती है, सब कुछ करवाती है उनका। और खाने पीने का ध्यान रखना, उनको वॉशरूम लेकर जाना, रात में भी दिन में भी सभी कुछ उनको वॉक भी करवाती है दिन में। लाइक उनका थोड़ा एक रूटीन है, जो मेरी मदर इन लॉ हैं वो मॉर्निंग में जैसे थोड़ा उनका एक्सरसाइज का रूटीन है, खाने पीने का अपना अलग रूटीन है। फिर इवनिंग में उनको शाम को कैरम बोर्ड खेलती हैं तो कैरम बोर्ड खेलना उनके साथ में। फिर कैरम बोर्ड खेलने से पहले एक्सरसाइज करवाना, उनको यहीं पर कुछ राउंड्स लगवाते हैं। तो इस तरह से वो पूरा ध्यान रखती है और बहुत अच्छी लड़की है, आदत भी उसकी, नेचर भी बहुत अच्छी है, हमें बहुत पसंद है। अम्मा जी भी बहुत खुश हैं उससे, उसके काम से, हम लोग भी बहुत खुश हैं उसके काम से। तो हम लोग उसे रेकमेंड करेंगे और आपका लाइफ सर्कल को भी हमने बहुत लोगों को रेकमेंड किया है। मेरी काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स, 2-3 फ्रेंड्स ने इनफैक्ट मेरे रिकमेंडेशन पे आपसे सर्विसेज भी अवेल कर रहे हैं। एक तो हमारे जो सामने वाले नेबर हैं उन्होंने अवेल की है सर्विस और उनके पास में वो नर्स हैं जो वो आपकी ही कंपनी से लिया हुआ है उन्होंने, मेरे ही कहने पर वो आपसे जुड़े हैं। और ये मेरी मदर इन लॉ हैं इधर, मैं दिखा देती हूँ, ये निर्मल त्यागी जी, वो मेरी मदर इन लॉ जिनके लिए हमने ये केयर गिवर अंजलि रखी है। बहुत प्यारी लड़की है, मे गॉड ब्लेस हर। बस, थैंक यू सो मच हमें सर्विसेज देने के लिए और इतनी अच्छी लड़की जो हमारी इतनी प्यारी है केयर गिवर, उसको देने के लिए थैंक यू।
Moving to the next part of the Caregiver Awards Season 3, I'm going to announce the another consolation prize winners. 5 participants, I'm going to name them: Kanhaiya Kumar Sahu, Parle Vandana, Rita Sharma, Reshma Kujur, Reshmi Pradhan. They all got consolation prize and they scored 3.5. And the small things, few words about them. Kanhaiya Kumar, grandson of senior, speaks about Kanhaiya and why he is a great caregiver. He speaks about how the senior can't speak, yet Kanhaiya cares for him last 1.5 years.
Good day, everyone. Good day, Life Circle. This is just a small video commending Kanhaiya for his work. My name is Mohit Mishra, and Kanhaiya takes care of my grandfather Rajendra Dikshit, and he's been taking care of him for the last 1.5 years. And I'd like to say that he's definitely an asset to your organization. He takes care of him so well that my grandfather's adjusted to him. He is very helpful in all certain aspects, and because my grandfather cannot speak, he is able to still understand everything that my granddad says. So I'd just like to thank Kanhaiya for the service that he has given to us and to Life Circle as well for introducing us to him. So I really do hope that our nomination for Kanaya does win this year, and all the best to Kanaya. Thank you.
Parle Vandana. Seniors detailed feedback about entire process of engagement of her role of care manager. Huge praise of Bandana and her role in her well-being.
నమస్కారం, నా పేరు కొడిమర్తి రజని. లైఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ గురించి వాళ్ళు పంపించిన ఒక కేర్ టేకర్ వందన గురించి నేను ఒక 4 మాటలు. మే నెలలో మా అత్తగారు జబ్బు పడ్డారు, హాస్పిటలైజ్ అయ్యారు. ఆవిడ హాస్పిటల్ నుంచి వచ్చే టైంకి లేచి నడవగలిగే పరిస్థితుల్లో లేరు, తనంతట తను లేచి కూర్చునే పరిస్థితుల్లో కూడా లేరు. అలాంటి ఆవిడని చూసుకోవడానికి ఒక మనిషిని పెట్టుకునే అవసరం కలిగింది. సమయంలో వాకప్ చేస్తే మా బంధువులు లైఫ్ సర్కిల్ గురించి సజెస్ట్ చేశారు. వాళ్ళతోటి మాట్లాడిన వెంటనే ఒక అమ్మాయిని అలాట్ చేసి ఆ అమ్మాయిని తీసుకుని వచ్చి మా ఇంట్లో దింపారు. దింపినప్పుడు ఒక మేనేజర్ కూడా ఆ అమ్మాయితో పాటు వచ్చి మాకు 1 గంట కౌన్సిలింగ్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ అమ్మాయితో చేయించుకోగలిగిన పనులు, చేయించుకోకూడని పనులు, మేము ఆ అమ్మాయికి ఇవ్వగలిగిన సపోర్ట్, ఏ రకంగా పని చేయాలి, ఏం పని చేయాలి అన్నది కూలంకషంగా అర్థం చేసుకుని ఆ అమ్మాయికి చెప్పి మాకు కౌన్సిలింగ్ ఇచ్చి వెళ్ళారు. ఆ కౌన్సిలింగ్ చాలా ఉపయోగపడింది. ఆ అమ్మాయి పేరు వందన. ఒక 20-21 ఏళ్ళు ఉంటాయేమో. ఆ అమ్మాయి నేను చూసిన వెంటనే భయస్తురాలు, మెటక మనిషి అనిపించింది. కానీ మా అత్తగారు చాలా పొడుగు ఉంటారు. ఆవిడని అమ్మాయి మేనేజ్ చేయగలదా అని మేమందరం అనుకున్నాము. అలాంటిది ఆవిడని చాలా ఒడుపుగా పైకి లేవనెత్తింది. చాలా సమయానికి మందులు అవి వేసింది. కొంచెం ఒంట్లో బాగలేని పరిస్థితుల్లో నిబ్బరంగా ఉండి పక్కనే ఉండి ధైర్యం చెప్పింది. ఆవిడ నడవలేకపోతే నడిపించడానికి ఆవిడతో పాటు తను కూడా నడిచి, ఆవిడ స్పీడ్లో నడిచి, ఆవిడ ఎక్కడన్నా కొంచెం అటు ఇటు తొట్టుపాటు పడితే పట్టుకుని చాలా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటుంది. రాత్రి కాదు, పగలు కాదు, ఎప్పుడు పిలిచినా అమ్మాయి ఏ పని చెప్పినా చేయడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉంటుంది. కనుక సమయంలో మా మామగారికి అవసరమైతే చిన్న సహాయాలు కూడా తనంతట తను మేము అడగక్కర్లేకుండా వచ్చి చేసింది. దాంతో ఆ అమ్మాయి సేవాభావం మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. ఇంటికి వచ్చిన బంధువులందరికీ కూడా చాలా ప్రేమ పాత్రలైంది. తన పరిధిలో ఉంటూనే ఇంట్లో అందరి మన్ననల్ని పొందింది. ఆవిడతో మాట్లాడి చాలా ధైర్యాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. ఆవిడ చెప్పే కబుర్లు వింటుంది. అన్ని రకాలుగాను ఆవిడతోటి ఉంటుంది. ఇవాళ ఆవిడ బాగా ఉన్నారు అంటే అందులో ముఖ్య పాత్ర వందనదే. ఆ అమ్మాయి తన ప్రవృత్తికి తగిన వృత్తిని ఎన్నుకుంది. ఆ అమ్మాయికి మా అందరి శుభాకాంక్షలు, ఆశీస్సులు. నమస్కారం.
Rita Sharma, son of senior, speaks about how his mom has improved in Rita's care. She goes extra mile. Initiative narrates a story and has a 3-hour long conversation with the senior every day, which keeps her cheerful. She did this on her own volition.
Rita Sharma has been working with us for a long time now, probably less than a year, but she has been working very hard with my mother, who is 91-year-old now. And since she has joined us from Life Circle, her performance has been extremely good. I would say that she is a dedicated worker, and over the period that she has joined us with us, she has learned how to improve the health of the patient and to understand the needs of the patient. And she's very dedicated in the sense that she doesn't mind that to go an extra mile in fulfilling the requirements of the patient. There is some initiatives also she has taken in the past, My mother is 91, as I told you, and now she narrates a story in the evening every day, for 3 hours, and explaining the nuances of the story, and asking and basically involving the patient in the conversation. So that's an additional initiative she has taken. So I believe she is doing extremely good job, and she could be a deserving candidate for your award. Thank you.
Reshma Kujur, son of senior, mentions Reshma is super excellent. She cares for mom beautifully. We don't have to worry about mom till Reshma is there. They are giving care since 1.5 years. Reshma is the best. She keeps mom clean, room clean. She deserves the award. This will help her.
Hi, this is Mirza Majid Beg, uh, son of Amina Begum. My mother, basically, life care. They are taking care of my mother. Related to your first question, how is the caregiver performing? Now, I can elaborate, I can say a lot of things about her, but in 2 words, I will just say that she is super excellent. We just rely on her for everything. She is taking care of my mother very, beautifully. We don't have to bother about our mother till Reshma Kujar is there. Life Care is giving the services for past more than 1.5 years, and Reshma, she is with us for almost 4 months. Very beautifully, she has taken charge of my mother. And to be very honest, this is the first caregiver I have ever seen, in all this 1.5 years, the best one. Believe me, Reshma, due to her presence, we are very much satisfied. She takes care of my mother. She gives the medicine on time. She keeps my mother very hygiene. She keeps the room hygiene. And overall, she is excellent. And I believe she should be awarded for this. Thank you very much. I hope this will help her. And I really, want Reshma to get the award. Thank you very much.
And Reshmi Pradhan, senior, herself giving feedback. She speaks of all activities. Reshmi supports her. She is never angry or bad tempered. She is good natured.
मेरा नाम वैशाली शाह है। मैं 1 साल से बेड रेस्ट पे हूँ। मेरे घर पे रेशमी प्रधान 7 महीने से काम कर रही है। मेरे को स्पंज करती, पूरा रोज स्पंज करती, साफ करती, मेरे को खिलाती भी है। मेरे कभी को रात को भी ज़रूरत पड़े तो मेरे लिए टॉयलेट के लिए भी उठती है। घर का खाना बनाए तो खाना भी बनाती है। तो मेरा पूरा दिन मेरा ध्यान रखती है। कभी भी ऐसा मुंह नहीं बनाती कि कभी नहीं करना है, कभी गुस्सा नहीं करती। जो वो लोग वो काम कर देती है। बहुत शांत है।
Now I am going to present proudly the next 3 consolation winners. They are Gudiya Kumari, Rahel Benia and Kuljit Kaur. Few words about them. Gudiya Kumari, Dr. Geeta, daughter of Dr. Balamani, she is very happy. It's a great help. As a doctor, she feels her mom is secure with the services. Gudiya Kumari is compassionate, lively and cheerful. She makes the senior feel light and she is sweet. Luck to have Gudiya. Congratulates for serving seniors.
All members of Life Circle. I am Dr. Geeta, daughter of Dr. Balamani Garu. I have hired your services for my mother. We are very happy with the services you are rendering to us. It is a great help. I am a working lady, I am a doctor, and I feel that my mother is secure with the services and the people you have sent to us all through. My special thanks to Life Circle. And right now we are having Miss Gudiya with us, who is not only very compassionate, she is very lively, pleasant and very cheerful. She doesn't make my mother feel as though she is something sick. She makes the environment totally lively. She is such a sweet girl. We are in fact very lucky to have Gudiya with us. I congratulate Life Circle for all the services you are rendering to all the people out there who need help. Thank you once again. Gudiya is excellent, and we are happy with her attitude and her services. Thank you so much once again, Life Circle. Thank you.
Rahel Benia. They mention senior speaks of how she lost her leg and how she converted her pain into fun. High praise. 9 out of 10 rating for Rahel.
Hello, dear Life Circle members. Thank you for sending Rahel Benia as a caregiver. My name is Radha Patkal, and I lost the use of my right leg several months ago, and she came at the right time, and she attends to all my needs very carefully and with compassion. She's intelligent and very talented. So something which is painful for me in my life turns out to be fun when Rahel is with me. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give her 9. And very soon she will reach 10. I'm confident about that. So thank you once again. You've done a good job. Thank you.
Kuljit Kaur, daughter of the senior with dementia. Kuljit has been working for 1.5 years. She is well trained from being in a critical condition. Kuljit revived her. She is able, professional, and family is very satisfied with her service. So all the best. Good luck to you three.
Hello everyone. Here is the feedback for our health worker Kuljit Kaur. She has been with my mother for the last 1.5 years, as my mother is a patient of dementia She needs proper care, and Kuljeet Kaur is very able, and she has the complete training to look after such a patient. When she joined us, my mother was in a very critical stage, but with her professional and this training, she really revived her, we can say, and we are very satisfied with her work. We wish her good luck, wish her a happy life in future for taking care of our mother so nicely. Thank you.
जिसका जितना हो आंचल यहाँ पे, उसको सौगात उतनी मिलेगी। ला 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 ला। जिसका जितना हो आंचल यहाँ पे, उसको सौगात उतनी मिलेगी। जिंदगी एक वचन भी तो है, हम सबको निभाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा। जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है और इसे बहुत प्यार से गाना है। और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आप लोग सिर्फ 19 से 22 साल ऐसे उम्र से आ रहे हैं, आप नौजवान हैं और आपने अपने पेशे के लिए इतना खूबसूरत काम चुना है जो समाज के लिए बेहद ज़रूरी है। मैं भी उस उम्र की तरह अग्रसर हूँ, तो मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि जब मनुष्य शारीरिक और मानसिक रूप से असहाय होता है, तब आप लोग जो कर रहे हैं वो सेवा कितनी महत्वपूर्ण है। और हमें हमेशा जो हम पे भरोसा करते हैं उनके भरोसे का मान रखना चाहिए। ऐसी ही एक छोटी सी कहानी है, एक संस्मरण है कि एक बकरी के पीछे शिकारी कुत्ते दौड़े। बकरी जान बचाकर अंगूरों की झाड़ी में घुस गई और कुत्ते आगे निकल गए। चरण को चरण से बकरी ने निश्चिंतता पूर्वक अंगूर की बेल को खानी शुरू कर दी। सोचिए, जिस बेल में वो छुपी थी, जिसकी वजह से उसकी जान बची, उसने उन्हीं पत्तों को खाना शुरू कर दिया और ज़मीन से लेकर अपनी गर्दन की पहुंच जितनी दूर तक के सारे पत्ते खा लिए। पत्ते बेल में रहे नहीं तो छिपने का सहारा भी समाप्त हो गया, पर कुत्तों ने उसे देख लिया और मार डाला। तो जो सहारा देने वाले को नष्ट करता है उसकी ऐसी ही दुर्गति होती है। मनुष्य भी आज सहारा देने वाली जीवनदायिनी नदियों, पेड़ पौधों, जानवरों, पर्वतों, संस्थानों को नुकसान पहुंचा रहा है और इन सभी का परिणाम भी अनेक आपदाओं के रूप में भोग रहा है। तो हमें हमेशा इस बात का ख्याल रखना चाहिए। मेरी एक और छोटी सी कहानी है जो एक बुजुर्ग महिला के बारे में है कि कुछ दोस्त मिलकर लस्सी के दुकान पे बैठे हुए थे और उसमें जो हमारे कहानीकार हैं वो भी शामिल हैं। तो वो बैठ कर के बस एक दूसरे से हंसी मजाक और खिंचाई ही कर रहे थे कि 70-75 साल की बुजुर्ग महिला पैसा मांगते हुए उनके सामने आकर खड़ी हो जाती है, जिनकी कमर झुकी हुई है, चेहरे की झुर्रियों में भूख तैर रही है, नेत्र भीतर को धंसे हुए हैं लेकिन सजल थे। उनको देखकर मन में जाने क्या आया कि उस महाशय ने जेब में सिक्के निकालने के लिए हाथ डाला और वापस हाथ को खींच लिया और उनसे पूछ लिया, दादी लस्सी पियोगी? इस बात पर दादी कम अचंभित हुई और उनके जो मित्र थे वो अधिक, क्योंकि अगर वो उनको पैसे देता तो 5 या 10 रुपए ही देता, लेकिन लस्सी का गिलास तो 40 रुपए का था। इसलिए लस्सी पिलाने से उसके गरीब हो जाने और उस बूढ़ी दादी के द्वारा उसे ठग कर अमीर हो जाने की संभावना बहुत अधिक बढ़ गई थी। तो दादी ने सकुचाते हुए हामी भरी और अपने पास में जो मांग कर जमा किए हुए 6-7 रुपए थे वो अपने कांपते हाथों से उस महाशय की ओर बढ़ाए। उन्हें कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था तो उन्होंने पूछ लिया कि ये किस लिए। तो इनको मिलाकर मेरी लस्सी के पैसे चुका देना बाबूजी। भावुक होकर वो उनका चेहरा देखता ही रह गया। अब रही सही कसर उनकी इस बात ने भी पूरी कर दी। एकाएक उसकी आंखें छलछला आई और भरभराए हुए गले से उसने दुकान वाले से कहा, एक लस्सी दादी के लिए। उन्होंने अपने पैसे वापस मुट्ठी में बंद कर लिए और पास ही जमीन में बैठ गई। अब उस महाशय को अपनी लाचारी का अनुभव हुआ, क्योंकि वहां पर मौजूद दुकानदार और दोस्त और अन्य कई ग्राहकों की वजह से वो दादी को कुर्सी पर बैठने के लिए नहीं कह सके। अब डर था कि कहीं टोक न दे, अब कहीं किसी को एक भीख मांगने वाली बूढ़ी महिला के उनके बराबर में बिठाए जाने पर आपत्ति ना हो जाए। लेकिन वो कुर्सी जिस पर वो बैठे थे वो उन्हें काटने को दौड़ रही थी। लस्सी कुल्हड़ों में भरकर सब मित्रों को और बूढ़ी दादी के हाथों में भी आ गए। अपना कुल्हड़ पकड़कर दादी के पास ही वो महाशय जमीन पर बैठ गए, क्योंकि ऐसा करने के लिए तो वो स्वतंत्र थे ना, तो इससे किसी को आपत्ति भी नहीं हो सकती थी। दोस्तों ने एक पल को घूरा, लेकिन वो कुछ कहते कि इसके पहले ही दुकान के मालिक ने आगे बढ़कर दादी को उठाकर कुर्सी बैठा दिया और उनकी ओर हाथ जोड़कर मुस्कुराते हुए कहा, ऊपर बैठ जाइए साहब, मेरे यहाँ ग्राहक तो बहुत आते हैं पर इंसान वो तो कभी कभार आते हैं। दुकानदार के आग्रह करने पर बूढ़ी दादी दोनों कुर्सी पर बैठ गए। हालांकि दादी थोड़ी घबराई हुई थी, मगर उनके मन में, उस सज्जन के मन में एक असीम संतोष था। तो ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जिनमें खास पैसे नहीं लगते, हमारी भावना सम्मिलित होती है, हम ऐसा तो कर ही सकते हैं, है ना। तो अब दिल थाम कर बैठने की बारी शुरू। अब मैं जिनका नाम अनाउंस करने वाली हूँ वो है हमारी सेकंड रनर अप शारदा कन्हर। Sharda has been working with Life Circle for 7 years. Dr. Rukmini nominates Sharda for her 2.5-year-old engagement. She speaks in detail her mom's condition and how Sharda's presence has helped her serve her patients better, as she trusts Sharda to take care of her mom in her absence and also her dad. Though it is not her job, she is like a family member. She is Dr. Rukmini.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rukmini and I would like to nominate my mother's caregiver Sharda Kanhar for the Life Cycle Awards for this season. She's been with us for almost 2.5 years and she's very dedicated and she looks after my mother very well. She's made my mother's progress from having a fracture and unable to walk to a fairly good level of independence. She's very quiet and she's very attentive. She really makes sure that my mother doesn't have fall because she has a lot of giddiness and vertigo at this point. My mother has diabetic and she keeps having a lot of urinary disturbances. So she has to get up frequently and go to the bathroom and come back with occasional accidents which happen. And Sharda has always been there to take care of her. As a busy practitioner, the presence of Sharda at our house has made it very much possible for me to take care of my patients and travel whenever it is required. and I can leave the entire responsibility of taking care of my mother in Sharada's hands. My father is 82 years old, and even though it is not her job, Sharada does have she does have a regard for him, and she kind of takes care of him whenever he has any issues, small issues. She's like a family member, like my probably a niece or a very young sister. And I am really glad that Sharada has come into our lives and made it very convenient for all of us. As my parents cannot really speak in English or in Hindi, my mother is a Tamilian, and so the language is a problem. So on her behalf, I sincerely think that Sharada should be nominated for the Life Circle Awards this year. Thank you.
Now I am going to announce the first runner-up, Baljeet Kaur. She scored 4.33. Mr. Amarjit Singh speaks about his mom and how she needs 24-hour care. Baljeet has been working for over 1 year. From being unable to walk, the senior has started walking. She has started eating by herself, which she not doing earlier. So, Baljeet Kaur.
We are using Life Circle caregiver services for my mother, who is above 90 plus year old. She has got age related issues and she needs 24-hour care. We have caregiver Baljeet Kaur for more than 1 year with us now, and my mother's care include giving her medicine on time, giving her the specific food at a specific time, bathing her, cleaning her because she's in diaper, even providing a social connect, having a informal talk with her, a casual talk, so that she's active from her thinking point of view, from mine, and taking her to walk. Last year my mother was unable to walk, but now with the support she has started walking a little bit. She has started eating by herself, which she wasn't before. So I think the care that has been provided by Baljeet has tremendously helped my mother, and we are really thankful, and we recommend that such caregivers needs to be rewarded and recognized. So I think we are very happy with this carer, and wish her all the best, and thank the agency also for giving us such a great service. Thank you. Bye.
Now guess whom name I am going to declare. She is the queen of this award function. Today, very proudly, I am going to announce the name Mamta. She scored 4.83. She is the first winner of this award function. Caregivers like Mamta are the pride of Life Circle. She has been working with us for 8 years now. Mrs. Alka talks about how Mamta's care for her mom comes from a place of love. She talks about how Mamta was instrumental in her mom's recovery, and what she did is beyond the family expectations. She speaks about how much the family loves Mamta. Congratulations once again, Mamta. Do very, very, very well in your life. Cheers.
Hi, my name is Alka, and today I would like to talk about Mamta, who was provided by Life Circle to take care of my mom. Now, my mom is 80 plus and she is a patient of Alzheimer's. And when Mamta came, she was able to walk, she was able to talk a bit, but over a period of time, it deteriorated. But I will say the rate of deterioration has not been as much as it could have been had it not been for Mamta's support. Now, Mamta has shown excellent dedication in her job, and from the time she came, she saw that not a single thing is missed, whether it is medicines, whether it is my mother's food, the diet that she has to take, the exercise that she has to do. So everything, Mamta took care. And I really want to quote one incident, is that, when Mamta came, my mother was able to walk with the help of a walker. But, over a period of time, she lost strength to walk. So she was more confined, on the bed or on the sofa. So, we had to take her on the wheelchair from one place to the other. But Mamta was determined that my mother needs to walk. So every day she would make her walk and exercise without fail. And then we could not believe ourselves that my mother started walking with the help of walker again. So had it not been for her, that dedication and her determination, I don't think the kind of, health that mother is enjoying today would have been possible. And I think why Mamta is able to, take care of my mother so well is that she does it out of love. So so when she is, when the caregiver is, loving the patient, then the kind of, care that you get is out of the world. So that is what we have been getting from Mamta, that she has, put everything of herself in taking care of my mom. So I wish Mamta the very best in her life, and I and my entire family, we are indebted to Mamta for her, for her support and the care that she has, shown towards the family. And also I'll say that she has never been like a passive member in the family. She has, been like a family member, acted like a family member always. So she's very dear to us, and we wish that, she has all the successes in her life. And we, on behalf of me, myself, on behalf of all the family members, we say that we are indebted to you. In this lifetime, we are indebted to you, Mamta. And take care. We love you. Thank you.
Now this is the time for Life Circle Team's Choice. Muskan Khan, Rupali Murmu and Brijesh Kumar. Working for long period, some very few months, but have made a mark in the hearts of our clients and seniors. Winners will get 1000 and certificate. So, उनके लिए एक जोरदार ताली हो जाए.
हम सब लोग बहुत खुश हैं कि मुस्कान हमारी मम्मी के साथ रहती हैं. वो मम्मी का पूरा ख्याल रखती हैं, इतने अच्छे से उनके साथ रहती हैं और उनकी सारी ज़रूरतें संभालती हैं. सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि हम मुस्कान पे पूरा भरोसा रख सकते हैं. ना ही वो मम्मी की बात सुनती हैं, लेकिन उनकी अनकही ज़रूरतों का भी ध्यान रखती हैं और हमेशा उनकी सेफ्टी और उनकी खुशी और उनकी सेहत का ख्याल हमेशा अपने मन में रखती हैं. ना ही वो उनकी दवाइयाँ और उनकी सेहत को देखती हैं, लेकिन ऑल्सो वो मम्मी का दिल बहलाती हैं. अपनी खुद की ज़रूरतें छोड़कर वो मम्मी के साथ एक बेटी की तरह, एक दोस्त की तरह, एक साथी की तरह रहती हैं और हम इसीलिए मुस्कान को थैंक यू बोलना चाहते हैं.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मुस्कान हमारे साथ पिछले 4 महीने से रहती है और अभी तक हमको कोई शिकायत नहीं हुई, बल्कि हमारे मुंह पे वो लाती है मुस्कान. अ फ्यू लाइन्स अबाउट हर जो मैंने लिखी हैं. हमारे साथ रहती है मुस्कान, हर चीज़ का वो रखती है ध्यान. प्यार से कितनी रहती है, सबका करती है वो सम्मान. मेरा दिल बहलाती है जब भी मैं होती हूँ कुछ परेशान. कैसे अपनी सी बन गई है, इस बात से मैं भी हूँ हैरान. इतना ही बस कुछ कहना है. थैंक यू मुस्कान, थैंक यू मुस्कान, थैंक यू मुस्कान.
मुस्कान, जैसे उसका नाम वैसे ही उसका काम. बड़े से बड़ा या छोटे से छोटा काम मुस्कान हमेशा मुस्कुराते हुए ही करती हैं. कभी माथे पे शिकन नहीं लाती. थैंक यू मुस्कान कि आप अपने काम को इतने अच्छे से निभाती हैं और अब हेल्पर के जैसे नहीं, ऑलमोस्ट एक फैमिली मेम्बर की तरह ही आप हमारे साथ रहती हैं. थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग.
थैंक यू मुस्कान दीदी, आप नानी का टेक केयर करते हो और हम का भी टेक केयर करते हो.
नमस्ते सभी लाइव सर्कल सभी स्टाफ से. मैं ब्रिजेश कुमार लाइव सर्कल से जुड़ा हूँ. हमारे साथ डॉक्टर SK शुक्ला हैं जो रक्षा मंत्रालय के डायरेक्टर थे, अभी रिटायर हुए हैं. मैं इनका पूरा ध्यान रखता हूँ. यहाँ पे जनकपुरी B1 131 में रहता हूँ इनके साथ. मैं इनका पूरा ध्यान रखता हूँ. जो भी हमारा काम हो इनका कोई शिकायत का मौका नहीं देता हूँ. इनका पूरा ध्यान रखता हूँ. हमारे बारे में डॉक्टर SK शुक्ला बताएंगे. आप बताइए सर.
हाँ साहब, नमस्कार. हाँ, मैं डॉक्टर SK शुक्ला बोल रहा हूँ. मैं रक्षा मंत्रालय में डायरेक्टर था और ये उसमें मैंने बड़े बड़े प्रोग्राम्स में हिस्सा लिया है, जैसे मिसाइल प्रोग्राम वगैरह में. डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम मेरे बॉस थे, तो मैंने कुछ मिसाइल्स वगैरह डेवलप की हैं. ये मेरा विज्ञान का बैकग्राउंड है. ये ब्रजेश कुमार मेरे साथ पिछले 2 साल से जुड़े हुए हैं. ये बहुत ही अच्छा काम करते हैं. मुझे इनके काम से कभी भी कोई शिकायत नहीं हुई इस 2 साल के दौरान में. और ये बहुत ही ईमानदार, बहुत सही व्यक्ति हैं. और मैं पूरी तरीके से इनके लिए रिकमेंड करता हूँ कि जहाँ कहीं भी ये बेटर पोजीशन में अगर आप इनको प्लेस कर सकें, लेकिन रहेंगे मेरे साथ ही, आप इनको बेटर पोजीशन दिलवा सकें मेरे साथ रहते हुए ही, ये मैं आपके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अदा करता हूँ और इसी से मैं अपनी बात ख़त्म करता हूँ।
नमस्ते लाइफ सर्कल स्टाफ।
I want to talk about Rupali Murmu. She's working with us from past 6 months. I want to give her feedback that she is an excellent girl. Day and night, sincerely, she is working for my mother.
अच्छे से काम करता है, आंटी को अच्छे से केयर करता है, अच्छे से खाना खिलाता है, अच्छे से देखता है, अच्छे से सभी काम करता है। वो अच्छी है, अच्छे से पूरा काम करता है। आंटी का ट्रीटमेंट पूरा आंटी का देखता है, केयर करता है।
I'm so happy with Rupali that she is doing it not like my mother but as her own mother, and she is really a very very good caregiver.
रूपाली बहुत अच्छी लड़की है, बहुत सब्र है, बहुत पेशेंस है उसमें। इसको रात को उठा लो, दिन को उठा लो, कभी ना नहीं करेगी, हमेशा उठ के जाएगी, काम करके आएगी। मैं तो मरीज आदमी हूँ, क्या कहते हैं, तो मेरे को जरूरत पड़ती है बार बार पर वो कुछ नहीं बोलती।
Family as her, and she mixes up with all the other people also of the house very nicely, and she does she help in other small things also in the house. She is like a family to us.
Life easy with Rupali.
Now, I would like to thank the all 55 clients for their videos, audio testimonials and commending their caregivers. All participants will get ₹500 and certificate. Above all, this is ये हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए लाइफ सर्कल की ओर से आप लोगों को आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा आपको मिलती रहे, इसके लिए एक छोटी सी कोशिश है। मानवता के ऊपर कोई और धर्म हो ही नहीं सकता और आप लोगों ने मानवता की एक मिसाल कायम की है, जिसके लिए आपको शुक्रिया कहने लायक शब्द शायद हम में से किसी के पास नहीं है।